Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Right inside this is search key, click to and type enter your motherboard model number TSX50 AI top, then hit enter. Then click to product and title of this motherboard, click on. Then click to support. Then you can see this is driver. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, any. Okay, so if your operating system is different, so no worry. Select any and you can installations process also same. This is audio driver. Wait few seconds. It will just click to download. This is size and always try to latest. See, this is start downloading. So it is completed. Just single click and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So it will close means this is installed and then it is done.